Hai, kenalkan, ini Imtiaz. Dia adalah seorang student di Unikal MFI. Penat ni Mat hari ni. Kerja banyak, assignment banyak tak siap. Dah lah duit tak ada. Macam mana aku nak duit sikit? Ni boleh pakai. Aku kan banyak baju lama. Boleh ni. Apa kata aku set up satu kedai bandar untuk jual baju-baju terpakai aku? Sekejap tengok jap. Banyak baju lama sekolah lah. Tak boleh jual ni. Masalah ni. Cik aku tanya Fatih jap. Dia selalu tahu benda-benda ni.
Kau tahu tak mana-mana supplier yang dia cari baju banyak-banyak? Ogstore. Okey.
Hello Algerians, welcome to our OG store. Are you looking for vintage clothing or are you willing to open a business? Here at OG store, you can find all the items that you wanted. Right here, we provide vintage item in guni form. And also, I want to ask you, why you need to buy a guni? So usually, the purchase in the form of guni makes it easier for bundle seller to start a business. If you are lucky enough, you might get a jackpot item at a cheap price. Our store is the first store that sells international guni. This is because our store sells guni from Japan, Korea and the United States. Among the items in the guni that we provide are sweaters, jackets, hoodie, t-shirt, shirts and etc. Our shop is located in Bangi Section 3. So for those who live in Bangi, you guys can come on into our shop to make a purchase of your own guni. How about to those that live not in Bangi? You guys don't need to worry because you guys can make your own purchase online because we, OG Store, have prepared a new interface to allow you guys to buy your own guni in terms of online. All the deliveries for the guni will be made by using Post Pantas and also JZT.
Okay, for the background of this project, this system is to help OG Bundle online shopping platform to calculate the price for each guni from different country. The price of the guni is based on the weight in kilogram, which means every guni have different price. For example, guni from Japan is Rm20 ringgit for 1 kilogram, and also every purchase will get a discount voucher. Okay, for the voucher discount page, every Algerians applicable to apply their voucher based on voucher code obtained. Each voucher give different percentage of discount for the total price. By the minimum purchase of 1 guni, Algerians can get a minimum 10% and max up till 50% voucher code. For the last part, as all online shopping platform, every customer need to enter their address for delivery purpose and the account number of the OG Bundle shop will appear for customer to make a payment.
So next I will explain on how will this coding run in the system. So they will divide by 4, which is creating a new account, choosing the guni, applying the voucher and key in the address. So firstly is where here it will ask you if you have an account or not. Press 1 to see if you have an account and 0 for not having an account. So if you press 1, it will prompt you to enter your username and enter your password. But if you press 0, you will need to create an account and a new password. And if you don't press either 1 or 0, you will see invalid answer. So next, after the account creating, you will go to here where it says welcome to OG Store Algerians. So here you will need to choose either 4 of our guni, which is from Korea, Japan, United States and brand item. So In this case, we will use our switch, which is we will divide to 4 cases, which is 1, 2, 3, and 4. So next, if you already choose the Guni, which is in the selections, and then it will ask you to if you want to add another item or don't want add another item. So if you press 1, you will go back, you will look again to the on these sections, and if you don't want, you will go to the add section, and this one, the 0. So here you will need the user to key in the weight for the Guni, which is each Guni have a different price. So let's say if the user key in the Guni for 30 kilograms for Japan Guni, so it will 15 times to 30 kilograms. So next, after the waiting, and then the user need to key in the voucher code. So here we use if and else, where the voucher code can be 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50 respectively. So after the voucher code, you will calculate the new price for the Guni, for the total price. And lastly, the user need to key in the address and ready for the next step, which is payment and thank you for purchasing. So here is the interface of our program. So press 1 if you have an account, and press 0 if you don't have an account. So we press 1 if you have an account, and please enter username, which is maximum of 20 characters, and the password is okay. So he asked, do you want to use the change the username password? So we press 0 if you don't want. So here is it will appear the list of the Guni. So which one you want to choose, either Korea, Japan, and second branded item. So here I choose the Japan, and then it will show what the item inside the Guni. So I will choose one, which is hoodie. So it will ask, do you want to add another item? So I don't want to add another item. I will press 0, and then put your weight. So I will estimate about 35 kilograms. And then here the price of the Guni will appear, which is RM700. The RM700 is from 35 kilogram times by 15 ringgit of Japan Guni. So here you will register code. So I have the code, which is 50%. And then you will ask to key in the price, which is 700. And then the new price after the discount of 50% is 350. So here we need to enter our address, which is Johor, and then it will come out with the total price of the after the discount, and then the account number, and then thank you for